Hello mga langga, good evening. What we're going to do now is we're going to what? What? What we're going to do? Unboxing.
Meanwhile,
Ta-da! This is his gift for what? For what? Gift just only a gift. So I will take scissors.
meanwhile, back in the lowlands,
Hello again mga langga. So we're going to unbox this. What you call this one? DJI OM4. So this is, wala lang po kaming ganitong cellphone, pero meron po kaming lagayan.
a few moments later.
So first, I don't know how to open. So it's 509.
Moments later.
Hindi ko kabalo ya. Just like this.
Moments later.
Wala ka man kasali. Yan! Hindi mo makita. Tanggal na po yung plastic. Yun lang.
More moments later.
Paano yan? Ay! Create magnetic moments. What is this? For what this one? Charan! So ganito po yung loob niya. This one. So accessories. Have like this charger. This one magnetic. And this? Sticker. Magnet. So you'll put in the back of the mobile. Ano to? Don't know how to use it. Iwan mo lang na this? So, we'll charge. Then?
Later.
Hello mga palangga. So he will be the one who will do unboxing. So first, this is it. So we have this like this. It's like carton only. Yeah, what's inside the accessories?
Accessories. This is it's a bag.
Bag.
It's a bag.
Then
Charan! One. Charan! Two. Charan magic. Three.
duab no.
And then
Wait lang, mister.
Later.
Then we have this. What was that?
This is if you install a ring holder. This is the ring holder.
Igan mo sinaw para makita ko. Yeah, like that. You can make your own vlog na.
This I don't know. This user's guide,
Or manual.
manual automatic, whatever. And this is what you call this?
I don't know. Or
Back holder.
maybe.
And this is additional.
Magnetic blah blah.
This is not magnetic. Additional
What's
pad
that?
like that. I don't know.
Okay.
If your mobile is small, you're gonna put it here. Additional pad like this.
For what? You're gonna put that
Additional
on?
for iPhone 7, iPhone SE.
Oh, I'm iPhone 6.
Small mobiles like that. Like
For what?
that. Okay.
For what?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Then this is it.
I don't know how to use it.
This is like it's like feet.
Fit?
Yeah, so that
Stand!
this one is feet, so that it will stand. You know. stand or feet, something like that. Same. Okay, then you're gonna
Spread.
spread it so that it will stand like that. Alright then.
A little later.
Welcome back mga langga.
Hello, then we will gonna open this one. I don't know how to open this. Alright, like that, and
And
that's it. Already open. And next, you must
what man?
download DJI MIMO in your mobile.
DJI MIMO?
Yeah, DJI MIMO.
How it looks like? Ashuf?
Like this.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Like this. And this, you're gonna put it at the back of your mobile like that. I don't know. Okay. It's supposed to be this upside down.
Why?
And we're gonna put it in the middle.
Why? Because he watched the video tutorial. Me, I don't have the...
Alright, then we're gonna put it here. Oh, piyak mo naman popcorn. Oh my god.
Why?
Alright.
Then, what will happen?
Dun, 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 dun.
Then,
Okay. We will open.
you will on.
We will open the.
Wow!
Much later.
Then we will open this one. We're gonna on the Bluetooth.
I really need this one, Bluetooth. Okay, on the Bluetooth.
The next. It's all open. I will check.
That one, DJI.
Bluetooth.
On already. They will be connected.
Maybe
That one, OM4.
connected already. Then we will open the DJI OM4.
DJI MIMO. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Then agree.
Okay. Then I will agree. I will reach.
Much later.
Hello again mga langga. So
After that, we
this
will
is
confirm account information. Activate. Alright. It's gonna open.
Two very boring minutes later.
Oh. Alright.
Shuf? Oh, he's following you.
Done. Yeah, finish.
Landscape.
Din double tap. Ah, wow! Paano pagpaharap sa'yo? Patubang diri sa aton, be. Paano kung magpatubang sa aton? Ahay.
Yan naman kasi.
A few minutes later.
If you wait. If you want to go on video or photo mode, just click once. This one already video. Then once also for the M. Then if you want to landscape, click twice for the M. Alright,
Well,
then you can
use the joystick.
use the joystick to
Navigate.
to navigate. Okay, and if you want to zoom in and zoom out, there's a button in the side. And if you want to use front camera, just trigger this one 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What?
I think it should be faster.
Alright.
See?
Yeah.
Wow, wait, you can see my face.
Turn Luna.
Hmm.
If you want to center, just click twice. Okay, and if you want to auto navigation, just long press once. No, I don't.
Center your face.
Center your face. Alright, then long press.
There, you can, wherever you go, see?
Oh, that's not heavy with me.
Not that long, no?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So that's it, mga langga. You see, he become crazy na with this. See?
Bye-bye.
He is, you go there, you go like this. Then this one is, I don't know, following him. So that's it, guys. So guys, I hope you can buy also like that. Thank you so much. Kiss ko.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like some more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to all my video that I'm always uploading. So what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for the support.